Bitcoin is perfectly on track to put in a new all-time high anytime soon here. The structure looks very clean in my opinion. We have 32k profits open on our trades, which we discussed live over on our YouTube and over on our X page. Bitcoin dominance signals for a move towards the downside, which could lead for a surge towards altcoins. And Ethereum is fueling up for the next move up. So let's dive right away into the video here. And please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this video if you love those daily update videos. And please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss Big Alpha once again. And then let's dive right away into the charts for now. Because what can we see? We have some resistance on the top side, trendline resistance. And we have support created on the lower side there. And we're currently bouncing between these lines. And it is currently a sign that we will break out towards one side. And in both directions, we can trade this pretty easily. But of course, with all the signals I've been talking about here, I think that the price will move up towards the upside from over here. And that is exactly what I'm anticipating on. So price needs to go and push towards resistance here. And if we are at resistance, we tap this line for 2 times, and that will be the 3rd one. And every single time we tap this resistance line, it will get weaker and the chance of a breakout will be bigger here. So if we break out towards the upside here, we can wait for a breakout, a clear pullback and confirmation towards the downside before moving towards the upside. And exactly the same with the lower side here. If we break out, we saw a perfect retest and then the move towards the downside. So that is how we can predict this move and how we can anticipate on this momentum squeeze here, because Bitcoin didn't choose a direction for now, but if we break out, we know the direction and we want to trade with it. Then if you look structure wise, we created a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, higher high, and a higher low once again here. And what we expect next is a higher high, so a high that is higher than the previous one. So that will signal that we will probably go to towards 112k, if it isn't even more, because I expect that if we break out of this pattern, we also break out of some other big patterns, that we will get the move towards the 115k and a new all-time high. I really think we will hit it anytime soon here. So I will keep my eyes very close on these charts. And structure-wise, everything looks fine to put in that new all-time high. And then the big trades I have been opening here, all live. We are in a 33k profit there, which is pretty good. So Bitcoin is approximately 10k in profit, Ethereum is approximately 25k in profit. And we have been talking about this setup literally live over on my X page. I said here, I just dropped 1 million on Bitcoin and stacked another 600k on Ethereum, full transparent, before even the move happened. And now we are currently seeing the move happening towards the upside, and we are making a very big amount of money, because I traded this account from $80,000 the previous week towards 130k this week. So that is a surge of approximately 50k here, live over on my YouTube and over on my X page. So please make sure to follow me over on those socials to never miss a move in crypto once again. If we look at the liquidity heat map, we can see that we're currently stacking liquidity on the top side here. And we all know what that means, that we will take that out. So that will mean that Bitcoin will pump towards the 110k to put all those people out of the market, and then maybe see a little cool down towards the downside. That is possible, or we will push further towards the upside, because we can see that not a lot of long side liquidity, buy side liquidity is stacking up here. That means that no one is long in the market, and that is exactly what we want to see before a next leg towards the upside happen here. And if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, we can see that we are currently at a very important resistance point, and we are currently rejecting it very, very slow. Not a big move. Momentum isn't in there yet, but I am keeping my eyes very close on this chart, because if momentum kicks in against resistance here, we can see a sharp move towards the downside. And if we see so, we will see a very big surge in price for altcoins. So that is what I am keeping my eyes on this chart pretty close. As we can see, we didn't break it at all, but we are currently squeezing momentum against resistance. And this is a very good sign, because this probably means that sales are stronger than buys, and that we will break out towards the downside, and that will cause for a surge in price for altcoins. And that's exactly what we want to be seeing here, because we're very big altcoin lovers here. And also, Ethereum is fueling up for the next leg towards the upside. We talked about this pretty important support, and that is exactly the support where I opened up my very big Ethereum trade here that is currently in a $25,000 in profit. That it was of this very important support zone here, and that is why I opened the trade. We saw a move towards the upside, and now currently we are squeezing momentum above this support zone. So if we break down, we are having support on the lower side here, which could cause for a move towards the upside. But I really think every time I saw price squeezing above such support as this, we break towards the upside, because people are buying in this support, and we see it every single time. When price taps this support, we saw a move towards the upside. That is a very good sign, because that means that people are interested in buying Ethereum at these prices here. So things are looking very good, and I am currently sitting in these trades, and I'm not planning to close them anytime soon here. I will close Bitcoin around to 115k, I guess, and Ethereum, my main target is really the $2,700, and that will mean that we will make a lot of money here. So if you want to be updated here every single day over on my trades and over the crypto market, please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video. And very important is that you make sure that you subscribed and followed me over on X, because I'm literally posting very big alpha here. And when I'm opening trades here, I'm literally sharing it live over here. So it's pure alpha and pure transparency. I am doing it all live over on X. And that was it for today's video. Please make sure to like this video if you love it. And I will see you tomorrow by a new Crypto Daily Update video.